We just recently launched our entry-level AIO in the form of the Pure Loop, which has turned out to be very popular due to its price-performance ratio and low noise. Now we are entering the market with an even more powerful and above all, even quieter series, the Silent Loop 2 all-in-one water cooling system. And what sort of tinkering we did in order to lower the decibel numbers even further, you can find out in this video.
But first, we are going to talk about the increased performance. The radiator houses Silent Wings 3 fans with either 120 or 140 mm in their high-speed versions, in the 120 mm radiator version also in a push-pull setting. At low power they are almost inaudible, and at higher or full load the waste heat is pushed out of the radiator still very quietly, but with massive force. They are our strongest fans for a reason. The pump, which is located in the cooling unit, is also one of the strongest models on the market and offers massive performance even for those who want to tickle the last degree Celsius out of the system. Just like you can adjust the PWM fans, silence enthusiasts can regulate the pump down to 9 volts and thusly make everything very quiet.
The high number of fins on the inside of the nickel-plated base plate, we achieve a massively increased cooling surface. The fins are so delicate that they are not visible to the naked eye even from a short distance. One of our prototypes had even 17% more fins integrated. Here, however, the pump had to build up too much pressure to manage the flow resistance, which is why this variant with just above 120 fins prevailed as the optimal compromise. And with the right number and a few further optimizations, we came up with the best performance result in combination with the other components thanks to a higher flow rate. And that's exactly what it's all about. The pump, radiator and the fans are perfectly aligned with each other. And thanks to its large cooling surface, the 360 mm version provides high performance cooling for all high-end processors, including the Threadripper CPUs. The most demanding applications can therefore be kept running smoothly. Let's get back to the heart of Silent Loop 2, the powerful pump. Since water turbulences often occur in the pump area, which in combination with air bubbles tend to be an annoying source of noise, we have taken a different path this time, the innovative 3-chamber design. The second of the 3 chambers offers the coolant enough space to spread after it has flowed over the radiator fins at high pressure. Afterwards, it goes without strong turbulences into the pump unit, from where the liquid is pushed back into the tubes. The Silent Loop 2's more even suction in combination with a 3-phase 6-pole motor ensures a very quiet and even operation.
However, our designers were still not happy with the results at high performance. What was going on, Tim?
Well, simply put, the Silent Loop was still too loud for us, even after many months of development. That's why we started testing different installation methods. After several attempts, we ended up with a rather simple yet in detail quite sophisticated solution. The entire pump housing is wrapped in a massive rubber insulation, which swallows the lion's share of the vibrations and resonances of the pump unit.
Very well, let's check out the difference.
Quiet and performant, these are the premises in our Silent products, and we were more than able to meet these expectations in the AIO world. Familiar features such as the simple refilling of the cooling fluid are of course also included in the 4 radiator models with 120, 240, 280 and 360 mm. And if you have an old motherboard or too few ARGB connectors, the color of the pump unit can also be adjusted via SATA connector and remote control. And here is the cherry on top, the Silent Loop 2 glows blue, or colorful, or automatically, or in your color of silence. Here's mine. Well then, stay quiet.